Mic check. Nice. Here's something I've reminded myself of late. Save this for later. Ooh. Later. Save this for later. I think I like upper angle more. I lost. And here's how you can do it. Reach your. My weight loss. There's like dust flying in the air. So we're gonna touch on that today. I never know how to start these videos. It's always kind of awkward. If I'm saying that the right way. This, however, this down. I think it's a little better. Some soup's ideal. So I start. I'm actually kind of nervous. Knew good having a partner. You're just gonna stand there and watch. I didn't expect a relationship to impact. Come on. Relationship to impact this much. And when you find it.
And this is how I set my morning up for success.
I'll give it a try.
Alright.
I'm a girl boss who works 60 hours a week. I don't like that. And this is how I consistently set my day up for success in the morning. Oh, sit back. And this is how I